guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys two luxury items that I purchased while I was in London. I did film it while I was over there, but I only had one of the items at the time. So now that I have both and I've been wearing them for a little bit, I wanted to share with you guys my full review and my thoughts on these two items. Because as you know, you could want something really badly and then as you get it and wear it, it could be different than what you imagine. So now that I've had about a month and a half to 2 months to wear these two items, I can give you like my full review and thoughts on what I think of these two items. As you guys can tell from the title, the items that I'm going to be sharing with you are from Saint Laurent, and I was so excited to purchase the purse. And then once I got the purse, I was like, well, I need the wallet to go with it. And if you guys don't know, purchasing items in London or in Europe rather, it's a lot less expensive because you get your VAT, which are taxes, back. So if you guys are in the market for any luxury items and are going abroad to Europe, I highly recommend that you purchase your luxury items there. One tip that I can suggest is when they ask you to convert from either British pounds to US dollars, keep it in British pounds because it ends up being less expensive for you. So the tip that I can give you is to purchase in Europe and also keep in the currency that it is in that country, whether it be euros or British pounds. So without further ado, I am going to share with you the two items that I purchased. Okay, so some of you may follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, please follow me. I will put my handle right here. But you will have seen the purse that I picked up, and it is, and I have it over here so I can tell you guys all of the details. It is the Yves Saint Laurent Kate medium embossed leather purse. So it is the medium size, and I got it in black. So when I actually purchased mine from Harrods, not from the Yves Saint Laurent store. It comes in this beautiful black bag. As you can tell, I've already opened it and have already worn it, but I just wanted to share with you what it looks like. So it looks like this, comes in this big black bag. And I obviously love the presentation because it's black and white. And then it comes in this dust bag so that you could protect it and travel with it. And then it comes packaged like this. And here she is. She is so pretty. So the strap gets longer, or you can tuck it in for it to be smaller and wear it as a clutch. That's what I liked about this bag, is that I could wear it as a clutch or like a crossbody depending on my mood. But she is super, super pretty. She has the Monogram logo right here. And this is what she looks like inside. So there's one pocket right here. And it comes with a little cloth for you to clean. And it says Saint Laurent Paris inside. And it's really pretty. Okay, so I wanted to read to you some of the description and details of this bag. So it's the classic Monogram Saint Laurent logo here. It comes in black, a red shade, a cream shade, and a white. I obviously went for the black because I mostly wear neutral colors and I know that I would get more wear out of this. So one of my followers on Instagram had asked me to show you guys what fits inside this purse. So before I do that, I want to share with you guys the wallet because I'm going to show you guys in another clip what fits in this bag. So the next item that I have is an Yves Saint Laurent wallet that comes in that really pretty box. It also has a dust bag, which is great. And I wear this every single day. I just put it back in the dust bag so you guys can see. But this is the wallet. How pretty is that? This is the back. And so it opens like this. And as you could see, it fits 6 cards, 3 on one side, 3 on the other. It has these slats are opened right here, so you could fit stuff in here. I have my business cards there. It has a place for cash, And then it also has a zipper right here so you can put change. So it's actually really, really nice, and it fits a good amount of stuff. I don't need any more stuff to fit in here, just my debit card, credit cards, Nordstrom cards. Actually, oh my gosh, I said it's 3 cards on each side. It's 4 cards on each side. So it fits 8 cards total. Sorry about that. And then it has the Saint Laurent logo right there. I love this wallet. I wear it every single day. I don't wear my purse every single day, but I keep this wallet in my everyday purse, and I've gotten so much use out of it. I love this wallet so much. It really keeps nicely. Also, in the wallet box comes another a cloth so that you can wipe it down, which is really nice. I'm gonna link a few of their wallets because I actually cannot find this exact wallet on their site or on any other sites, but I believe it's like a mini monogrammed textured zip wallet. I found one that's similar, that's a little bit rounder on the edges but looks identical otherwise. So again, I actually purchased this at the Yves Saint Laurent store on New Bond Street. And again, I wanted it to go with my purse. So I'll show you guys what it looks like together. So this one is like textured. This one is just like smooth, which is really cute. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a clip so that you could see how much fits into my purse. So I can say that it will safely fit the wallet, it will fit my phone, it will fit my keys, and then I typically keep like a chapstick or a lip gloss in my purse. And also sometimes I'll keep like a hand sanitizer and a lotion in my bag as well. The ones that I keep in my everyday bag, they are a little bit bigger, travel size, like hand sanitizer and lotion. So a smaller sized bottles of those would fit in here, but that's really all you need. I have my wallet, my cell phone, my keys, a lip gloss or a lipstick or chapstick, and then my hand sanitizer and my lotion all fit in here. And I feel like that's good enough. That's basically everything that I need to be on the go. And I really, really love this purse. I think it goes with so much. I could dress it down with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt, or I could dress it up with like a blazer or a blouse or even a dress. And like I said, you can wear it as a clutch, or you can wear it as a like crossbody bag, or regular, like on your shoulder. So I'm going to show you guys some ways that you can wear it if I didn't already insert the clips here. But I'm super happy with my purchases. I definitely saved a good amount of money purchasing it in Europe. I want to say I saved about $500 on the bag purchasing it in London, and on my wallet maybe $75 to $100. I can't really remember. It may have been more, and I'll include the information down below in the description box. But I'm super, super happy with my purchase. I don't have very many designer items. I think I could count on my 2 hands how many designer items I have. So I'm really happy to add this to my collection. I know that I'm gonna have this bag forever and be able to give it to my daughters or my sister one day if I don't have daughters, but I just think that it's classic, it's elegant, it's chic, it goes with so much. As you can tell, I only wear gold jewelry, so it just goes with every single thing that I wear. And I know that it is a timeless piece and it will go with everything. So I'm super happy with both of my purchases. I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of them, and I highly recommend them if you are in the market for a designer item and you don't know which type of purse or wallet to buy. The quality is really, really nice. This holds up well. I literally throw this in my purse and it's like in the mix with a bunch of chapsticks and keys and cards and all types of stuff in my purse, and it literally looks brand new, and I've had it for about 2 months and have been wearing it. So I really have nothing bad to say about either item. I'm super happy with my purchase, which thank God, because they are expensive purchases. But yeah, So I'm so happy that I could share these with you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If there's any other type of videos that you are interested in seeing from me, please let me know. Leave them in the comments down below. Please be sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel, please, and join my family here on YouTube. I would greatly appreciate your support. Again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please be sure to follow me here at BisousBrittany. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you all soon. Bisous.